everybody! For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Also I am using seed beads. And in this video you will see how to crochet unique and unusual crochet flower that I created recently for you. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of half double crochet with seed bead. In total it should be 12 half double crochet. Make a chain. I will not use it. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. The seed bead is before the work. Make half double crochet. 1. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the ring. Make half double crochet. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And so on till you will get 12 half double crochet into the ring. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete round 1. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make a slip stitch, pull it. My first round is ready. I remind you I'm done 12 half double crochet with seed bead. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. For this, make a chain, insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make single crochet, make chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet. Then single crochet through the next stitch, chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet. Then single crochet through the next stitch, chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And single crochet into the stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 12 chain spaces. Let's complete round 2. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. It is going to be the last round of my flower. I will work with seed beads. Make slip stitch with chain into the chain space. I will count only slip stitches. Now I'm making 6 slip stitches. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6. Then work with the seed bead. Make a chain with seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead and take the seed bead, pull it through like this. Make slip stitch. Well done. Make a chain and 6 slip stitches. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 chain, 6 and chain. Here what I have. My first petal is ready. Let's crochet the trim for the next petal. So you should continue working with your own. I will start the trim for the next one and you should continue with your own. Make slip stitch with chain 6 times, 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6. Well done. Take 1 seed bead, pull up the working loop, make a chain with seed bead and pull it like this. So my seed bead behind the work. Make slip stitch, chain and 6 slip stitches with chain. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6. My second petal is ready. Here how it looks. Here what I have. Keep working in this way till the end of this round, then I will show you how to complete my flower. Once I have done all my petals, and let's complete this round and complete my flower. Insert the hook into the first slip stitch, make a slip stitch, pull it. I already cut off my yarn to secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it. You should remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook, or you can leave a long piece of yarn to sew a bead to the center of this flower. And as I told you before, you should remove the yarn along the stitches using your stuff on the back side. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. It consists of only 3 rounds. This is my own flowers I created recently for you. So for this flower you just need to grab seed beads, ball of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. And I remind you also you can add a bead to the center of this flower. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, useful links and social media could be found in the description of each video tutorial on my YouTube channel. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my pattern. You can use it like a decoration for hat, scarf, for bag, or other big projects. Or you can join them together to create a large piece of work. Or you can put them to the Irish or guipure laces. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and good luck in crocheting!